Today we'll talk about how can you enable reports notifications on your Trace app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here, click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on threads and replace here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just go down here, come here to additional options in system settings, just click on it. Then you click here on notification categories down here. So then you go down, just come here to reports, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my reports notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.